Hello folks, I'm Colin Bradley. I'm going to be showing you how to draw this gorgeous barn owl just using 6 pastel pencils. The reference picture, a list of instructions and the line drawing. Wonderful product this is, and I think if you haven't done it before you'll find you'll really enjoy it. If you have done it before you know already how good they are. And you see it looks stunning when you've done that. Just a little bit of white there. The pastel pencils are like magic when you follow the rules, because when I blend that, something incredible happens.